If you have a funnel which is not giving you the sales which you want, this video is for you. You may have spent a lot of time understanding your audience and putting a lot of efforts on the funnel strategy, but you have made some mistakes while building the funnel. But the good news is you can create a high converting funnel by just undoing some of the mistakes which is happening inside your funnel. Number one, your audience and your funnel. So it can be the case that the audience which is coming inside the funnel is different what the funnel is made for. So let's say you have created a funnel which is created for very cold audience which doesn't know about you, doesn't know any product exists or anything like that, but the people of the audience which is coming in are the people who already are warm enough, and this seems like a very basic information for them. It could be a mismatch between the audience and the people who are coming inside the funnel. So understanding that if the audience which is coming inside the funnel, is the funnel built for them all alone or not? Or is this funnel good enough to convert this type of audience is where you need to pivot. If your funnel is for the cold audience, you need to change some targeting and get more cold people inside and convert them. Otherwise, if the people in the audience which is coming in from here are a bit warmer, then you have to give them information inside this funnel which is specifically made for this type of audience. Number two is lead magnets or tripwire funnel. So basically when someone comes in inside your funnel, you should give them a benefit of coming inside in. What it's going to do is it's going to create more trust in the prospect's mind for you because you have given them a lot of value. Now when you give them a lot of value, it creates a trust in the prospect's minds for you, and it also creates authority before you even go and sell them something. So if you provide a lot of value here, they think you are a great, awesome person who knows a lot of stuff, because without even charging them a lot, you have given them a lot of value. So if you will charge them anything, they're gonna get even much more value than they have gotten there. And this is your place. This is your place to create a trust in the prospect's mind. So you need to create the value for them so good here, and this is where they're gonna trust you and buy the product on the back end when you try to go and sell them anything. But if you fail here, they have in their mind, no, you are an average person, and they do not want to buy anything more on the background because this is where they have been unsatisfied. So this is the first step. Number three is bad landing page experiences. So any step of your funnel where the user go on the page, it should be optimized for mobile phone. Now more than 70% of the people use mobile phone to go there, and if it is not optimized properly for mobile phone, they won't be able to read your copy properly. So you need to make sure your landing page experience is super good. There are three things you need to make sure. One, it is optimized for mobile phone. Second is you need to have very clear, simple copy. When I say simple, I mean in the simple language that anyone can understand. If they are going and reading your copy and if they are not able to understand, all the effort you have put down goes to waste because they do not even understand what you have written down. Number three is clear CTA. Your landing page work as a guide for you. What they need to do next. What is the second step they need to take? That landing page should have one clear dominant CTA, and that specific page, what you want them to do. Do you want them to buy a product? Do you want them to give their information to you? Do you want them to fill the application? Whatever is the case, it should be clearly communicated with them by giving a clear CTA. Number four is no follow-up system. 1 to 3% of the prospect or leads which comes in convert at the same point of time. 97% of the people goes into the follow-up. Now if you don't have a solid follow-up system in place, that means all the lead which came in, you're only able to convert 20% of it. But what about the 80%? What happens to the dominant amount of lead which came inside your system? But if you have a solid follow-up system ready for them, where you reach back out to them, give them information, then you will be able to get a lot more conversion from these leads than the front end. So how you can do it is you can have communication going up with them. You can have a phone setter who give them call. You can have a solid email marketing system. So you send them, let's say 15 days of email sequence. First, gives them a lot of value. Second, tells them and share testimonial of your product. And third, give them options to talk to you or jump on sales call with you guys and know more about the product. And if you have this solid system on the background ready, this will help you to get a lot more conversions than the leftover leads. Number five, here comes the final step, your offer. No matter how much effort you have created in creating your funnel funnel, your audience, researching your audience or running your ad, if you don't have an appealing, awesome offer, not many people are gonna opt in and buy your stuff. So what you're gonna do is, first thing, how I think of it, you need to jump on call with your competitors. So you're gonna ask your sales team to jump on the competitors sales call and understand what are they offering. You put all of those offers in place and then compare your offer with all the other people, what they are doing, and you create your offer so much more valuable that it is the best product in the market in your industry. So that's one thing. Number two is you gonna ask people who jumps on a sales call, what makes you buy the product? If they buy the product, you ask them, why did you buy the product, right? They give you the reason. And second thing, if they're not buying the product, you'll ask them, what will it take for you to buy this product? And they will tell you few reasons. If this was involved in your offer, in your product, I would have bought it. Or for the people why they have bought it, you will also have the answers for this. So whenever you are presenting your offer, show these two things. You can again and again tell them the thing why other people buy the product, which is why all the other people will also buy your product. And number two, which was missing in your product. So when you will jump on a lot of sales call and a lot of people will tell you, if this was included in your offer, I would have bought it. You will also include that one thing inside your offer, and which will make your whole offer much more appealing for the people to buy. So now you have everything which people want, and you also show them why people buy your product, and which will make it much more appealing for the other people who are jumping on a sales call. And this will help you improve your sales conversion from your sales. So these are the 5 steps you can include inside your funnel and see a dramatic change overall in your sales process and inside your funnel. I thought it would be helpful for you, so I recorded this video. Yeah, just comment down below if it was helpful or not. If it was not helpful, just write it down and let me know, so that from the next video I will try to improve the content or anything like that. I would love to hear from you what you think about this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the another video. And if you want this whole funnel system we have created, we use this funnel ourselves as well. If you want the whole funnel in your site, we can give it to you for free. Just put a comment down below and we'll get back to you and give you the access to the whole funnel. And yeah, that is something I would like to share with you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the another video. Bye bye.